Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook security key problem. To know how to fix Facebook security key problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to click force stop. After that, you will enter here to storage. Then here you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end this, you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Facebook security key problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Goodbye.